Welcome back to our channel for an exciting new episode.
Steve Harvey went from living out of his car to building an empire worth millions. What's the secret behind his success? Is it luck, strategy, or something more profound? Let's find out. Steve Harvey is more than a comedian. He's an entrepreneur, author, and inspiration to millions. Today, we'll uncover the one piece of advice that he says changed his financial life forever. Most of us believe wealth comes from inheritance, luck, or knowing the right people. But the truth is, 80% of millionaires are first-generation wealthy. Steve Harvey's journey shows us that no matter where you start, you can break free from financial struggle with the right habits and mindset. Steve Harvey didn't let rejection or setbacks define his future. Instead, he turned his challenges into fuel for success. By discovering his unique gift and committing to his vision, he transformed his life. His story is a testament that wealth isn't just about money, it's about finding your purpose, staying persistent, and taking action every single day.
I lost everything with that decision. I lost my family. My ex-wife told me, she said, if you go out on that road, don't you ever come back. I went out on the road, came back, house was boarded up. Didn't see my kids for a year and a half. My mother-in-law wouldn't tell me where they were. Went back out on the road, tried to get me some money to send to her mother-in-law. Kept sending money back, didn't have enough because I was only making like $150, $200 a week. So by the time I sent them $150, I kept $50. Ended up homeless, lived in the car for 3 years, kept touring around the South telling jokes. Every now and then I'd go home.
Steve's journey wasn't easy. From sleeping in his car to hearing countless rejections, he faced challenges most of us can't imagine. But here's what he did differently. He kept going. He stayed committed to his vision even when the odds were stacked against him. And that persistence opened doors he never thought possible. Steve credits his success to one unconventional secret: dreaming big. He often says, "Your gift is the key to your wealth." For Steve, comedy was his gift. He honed it, leveraged it, and built an empire around it. His advice? Find your gift, maximize it, and create opportunities that align with it. Wealth starts when you align passion with purpose. Steve Harvey's story reminds us that wealth isn't just about money, it's about using your gift, believing in yourself, and never giving up. Success is possible for anyone willing to dream big and put in the work. What's your gift? What's your big dream? Let us know in the comments. And if you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit subscribe and check out our next video on the habits of successful millionaires.